Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cut Formica countertop. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about how to properly cut and prepare the Formica countertop. So there are a couple of things that you need to remember before you start doing it. So there are two blades that you can use. Preferably, if you want to cut from the top, you want to use the blade that has reversed teeth, so which means teeth are going to the front. If you want to use the regular blade that the teeth go to the back, then you have to cut from the opposite side so you don't damage Formica. For this project that I'm doing today, I just bought those set of blades for about 12 bucks from Home Depot. I'm sure you can get something similar on Amazon. I'm gonna try to find the link on Amazon and I'll give you that so you can just order it and have it shipped home. So entire process of cutting Formica is fairly easy. All you have to do is make sure that you have tape put on top of it, so when you're gonna be making the cut, the laminate is not gonna get frayed or it's not gonna get chipped. So later, once you're gonna cut it, you can gently remove the tape and then you have a nice perfect surface. For this project, I'm also using regular jigsaw and I'm gonna be using that reverse blade. To make my life easier, I'm going to put a piece of wood as a track so I don't have to worry about doing zigzags. I'm just gonna go along the edge nice and straight and very slow. The slower you go, the straighter the edge is gonna be. Like my dad used to say, speed is only needed when you catch flies, not when you do projects like this. Okay, after I'm done with cutting, I can remove the tape. So as you can see, the top cut, it looks totally perfect. We have a little bit of the torn paper from the bottom, but the edge looks perfect. That's how you want it to look. And after we're done with the cutting, we need to prepare the surface, make it sure that it's nice and smooth, so we can sand it down a little bit. There's usually a piece that is included with the countertop. And to install that finished piece, I'm gonna be using contact cement. So how do you do it? You just put a contact cement on both sides, on this side, wait until it's dry to the touch, put it back together, and then you need to just finish it up. In the last step, all you have to do is just grab a sandpaper, or if you have a little bit more overlap over here on the top or on the bottom, you need to cut it with your knife. I lined up everything perfectly. See, all I have to do is just finish it up a little bit with my sandpaper to smooth out the edges. It looks perfect. So that's basically the end of my project on how to cut the laminate countertop and finish it up with this finishing piece. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.